Today I just want to talk quickly about like portrait views or like three-quarter views of the human head. I find a lot of artists say that when they draw, oh, I'm going to draw a three-quarter view, they draw something like this. And like, if it's a three-quarter view to them, that makes sense, it's fine, honestly, but actually a three-quarter view is a lot more turned than this. So let me show you something. So if we take it that when we're looking at someone from the front view, or if they're facing us front on, it's 0 degrees of rotation. Then when they turn all the way to the side view, that center line moves, right? So it should actually be 90 degrees of rotation away from us. Therefore, if it's three-quarter view, we'll be looking at 67.5 degrees of turning away. What that actually means is that it's actually much closer to a side view than a front view. So these are not all the same guys, but I'm going through the angles basically. So as you can see, when somebody turns all the way, it's more like this. Not say all the way, but three-quarter views is more turned and the nose will pop up. So yeah, it's actually not the same as, let's say, this is actually what a three-quarter view would be more likely to be, rather than this one where the head isn't turned all the way. But a lot of people say this is a three-quarter view, which is kind of interesting because just because the head is slightly turned to the side doesn't mean it's a three-quarter view. Three-quarter view is much more closer to a side view than you think it is. But like I said, if somebody wants to understand that this particular one is a three-quarter view, then that's fine. If it works for them, it's fine. If they know what they're doing, naturally they probably will already know how to draw anyway. But if you're someone who's learning how to draw and you see that, oh, but why is everybody's three-quarter view different? Somebody thinks it's three-quarter, somebody say this is three-quarter, and then everybody gets confused. That's why. Then the correct one will be this one, this three-quarter one. Much closer to the side view than the front view. But yeah, so now you know that this is more of a three-quarter view, closer to that than this one. So yeah, this is how I kind of understand, or how I break down views of the head to make it easier for me to draw shorthand of, let's say, side view, front view, half view, three-quarter view. If you're interested in knowing more about art, I have a lot of videos, not say a lot, but like stuff on like art education, how to unlearn the toxic education, stuff like that. If you're interested, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating.